SVR for my county.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued in north central Georgia, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, northwestern Newton County in north central Georgia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located. Moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Moving northwest hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Source impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conyers, Latonia, Porterdale, Lakeview Estates, Georgia International Horse Park, Magnet, Almond Hillstead, Belmont, Arabia Mountain, James Creek Park, Redan, Oak Hill, Snapper, and Sonoma Mountain State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. 4 p.m. in Atlanta, light rain the forecast.